Hey friends, if you wish to block websites in Google Chrome, then please watch this video. Now, while we have an option through Google Chrome itself, I will always guide you through the best methods, and the best method is to download some extension. So, search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Google Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select extensions and then select manage extensions. Click on Chrome Web Store and then search for a parental control extension. Okay, and then you can pick any one of these extensions, just that it should have a good rating. And then wait, I'll just search again. Okay, let us check the ones which have the best ratings. There aren't a lot of ratings, but okay, fine, we'll just pick this one and then click on add to Chrome. Click on add extension and then wait for it to download and load here, and then click on this option here to select its options. And then you can blacklist a few websites, like let's say you can blacklist facebook.com to prevent your kids from accessing Facebook, and click on add domain, and then you can click on save, and now it will be blacklisted. So basically you can use any of those family control apps, I mean family friendly applications or parental control applications. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.